Hello guys, welcome to the hodleos channel where we stay focused on EOS and EOSIO blockchains, including Telos. My name is Rob. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. There has been an explosion of blockchain gaming apps coming to Telos in the recent weeks. Telos partnerships bring blockchain features to games on Unity and Steam. Let's take a quick look at this article from Cointelegraph that gives an overview of these Telos partnerships. Then we'll jump into each of these platforms and take a look at what they have to offer. The second most active blockchain, Telos, has announced partnerships with 3 gaming companies, bringing blockchain features to games on Unity and Steam platforms. The first one, Kudo, is a token-based reward mechanism revolving around proof of gameplay that can be integrated into any game built using the Unity platform. Users can be rewarded for achieving certain goals or simply racking up hours of play. According to Unity's own figures, over 3.3 billion devices have run games built on the platform in the past year. We'll take a look at the Kudo platform a little bit later in this video, and one of the games they have to offer, BLOX, which looks like a great game. And the 2 others, the Farm Game platform enables betting on games such as Counter-Strike, DOTA 2, and others on the Steam service. Sponsors can also create competition matches online by offering TLOS tokens as prizes. As of 2019, over 95 million monthly active users on the Steam platform. So those 2 partnerships right there cover 2 of the most active gaming platforms, Unity and Steam. And we'll take a look at the Farm Game platform as well in just a second. And finally, Area X, we covered this one in a previous video, but Area X is a social network for free HTML5 games built on the Telos blockchain and awarding prizes in TLOS and other tokens. Area X also holds tournaments whereby players pay a small fee in hope of winning more tokens. So let's go through each of these platforms and give them a look and see what they have to offer. Before we do that, a quick look at Blocktivity, which tracks blockchain activity. And you can see Telos in the number 2 spot with 4.5 million plus operations over the last 24 hours. A definite outlier in the top 10 with only an $8 million market cap, sandwiched between a 2.5 billion and a 1.6 billion market cap blockchain. And just a huge potential number, which is the ratio between blockchain activity and market cap in comparison to Bitcoin. So already a bunch of activity on Telos, but with these new gaming partnerships, I'd expect to see that number go up. All right, first on the list here, Area X. I covered this previously, so this is going to be quick, and I'll leave links to all of these in the description below. Area X has over 15 blockchain games that you can play for free and earn tokens. These are fun, simple games, and you can also claim tokens daily and weekly and stuff like that within the app, as well as earn tokens playing games and moving up the leaderboards. Next up, we have farm.game. This one's really cool. You log in with your Telos account, and you can either create an event or join an event, participate in an event. Right now, just Dota 2 games, but soon to have Counter-Strike and other Steam games as well. And how this works is you choose 1 versus 1, 5 versus 5, and there's a rate attached to it. So you have to stake or send in a certain amount of TLOS tokens, and then the game happens when the countdown hits 0, and whoever wins receives the prize. So for a 1 versus 1 at 10 Telos each, the winner would get 20 TLOS tokens. The Farm Game platform tracks the game you are playing, and once it's over, it sends the winner his winnings. Definitely check this one out, farm.game. Again, I'll leave the link down in the description. And then finally here we have the Kudo platform by Blockbastards. Kudo is a proof of gameplay reward mechanism aiming to revolutionize the gaming industry. Every 10 minutes, there will be a new block containing all the information, including transactions and rewards. Every block brings additional 1,000 Kudo coins into circulation until the maximum supply is reached in July 2039. And these will be broken up between community rewards and the founder rewards. 90% going to the community. The most active games get 10% of that, and the most active players get 90% of that. Proof of gameplay mining. Basically mining coins from playing games. Here's a look inside the Kudo dashboard. And the current list of games includes BLOX, with coming soon Viator's Flying Rat, Ace of Space, Money Lords, and Versus. And as well as at the bottom you can see top players, top rewarding games, stakeholders, and last block rewards. BLOX is a tower defense game where you defend your computer against the worst enemies on the blockchain and get rewarded for your in-game efforts. You can visit BLOX at bloxthegame.com, which we have up here, and you can apply for download for the early access to BLOX right here. So let's take a quick look at some in-game footage from BLOX. Here we go. So a really cool looking tower defense game that earns you crypto for playing. And I will leave a link to this one in the description as well. So it's crazy to think just over the last month or so, all of these different gaming platforms coming to Telos. I think we're finally starting to see the Telos Foundation's hard work paying off with all these partnership announcements. And this is just the gaming partnership announcements. I'm going to do a video on the non-gaming announcements, including Genobank receiving funding, Transledger chooses Telos, and a new EBT food assistance platform is being built on Telos, with support from some big names like Draper Associates and Facebook. If you do not have a Telos account yet, check out the link in the description to this page. Telos accounts are completely free. You can get one by visiting this page and going to the free Telos account button. Free Telos accounts are available in desktop wallets, mobile wallets, or using the Telegram bot, as well as read up on the latest Telos blockchain news from the Telos Foundation in the news feed here. So that's it for this one, guys. A bunch of new gaming partnerships have come to Telos, bringing their gaming applications for the Unity and Steam communities. But that's going to do it for me for this one. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like, and if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one.